Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this smart band. And the power saving mode, as the name suggests, is designed to save the power on your smart band, and it does it by turning off some of the features of your device to basically increase the battery life. And of course I'm going to show you how to enable it and how to disable it, so let's get started. And to enable the power saving mode, we need to wake up the screen by tapping on it, then swipe right on the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel, you will see a bunch of icons, and one of them will look like this, like the battery icon. This is the power saving mode icon, and you can tap on this icon, then tap on the check mark to confirm, and the battery saver will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically, you have access only to time and battery level and date. You probably can see it because the screen is quite dim, but we have date right here, battery life, and the step counter, and that's it. Rest of the functions of the watch are blacked basically. And that's how you basically save power on this watch, turn off most of the functions of the watch, or smart band rather, my bad. And once you're done and you want to disable the power saving mode, you simply wake up the screen by tapping on it, then press and hold on it, and keep holding until you see the normal screen, like this. And now the power saving mode is disabled, and your watch or smart band is back to normal. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.